Hey guys, Taz with Kits here to show you how I rebuild the Magma RDA. You're going to notice that I have the airflow control ring completely off. I don't even put it on. And I do that just because even the slightest amount of restriction I don't really like. I try to keep it as unrestricted as possible. I'll try to do this the other way. Alright, so I got those two open. Obviously this is the base. I just took the top cap off, placed it over there. Now I have about 6 inches of a 26 gauge Canthal and the screwdriver that the Magma comes with. This is perfect. I think it's a, I don't even know, 5/28 bit maybe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the wire against the driver like that and hold it down with my thumb. I just take and wrap 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's do 10. I'm feeling 10 today. Alright. Make sure that those are all sorts of even. I don't know if you can see that. Doesn't really matter with the legs. We're going to cut those guys off pretty quick. Now I'm going to place this hole in there. This one over there. Alright, make sure this is right over your air hole. Like that. Just about. I'm going to take this and screw those in. Alright, so as you can see, that's just right above that air hole. Now, take this, kind of line that up. That's all sorts of even. Oof, it's not too tight though. Alright, so now it's pretty tight. Oof, hot legs. So I got these guys. Alright, kind of straighten itself out. That's cooking right in the middle. Now I take the screwdriver. Reposition it again. Alright, so before I do that, I should have checked what resistance this is at. So I'm going to throw this on my resistance meter and battery charger. Alright, so 1 ohm exactly. Alright, so that'll be safe on the trusty K-box over here. In the K-box, we saw that it did fire, so that's a good sign. The K-box will not fire if it doesn't like the coil. So I could have just guessed off of that, but it's always good to actually meter out your coil resistance. Know what it is. Get those legs off. Looking all sorts of good. Now I take my organic, I don't know what it is, it's Japanese cotton. Got it from Sephora down at the mall. I just take it and kind of make it so it's got that slant off the edge. You see, So we're going to make it into a cone, and we want that end to be pretty small. Alright, and then push that through. Spin it through sometimes. There you go. So since this is the magma, and I'm going to drop it down in those deep juice wells. Juice wells. Going to give it about an inch off the ends. Okay, just like that. And stuff that guy down that side. Blocking most of this with my hand. Need to figure out a better camera angle for next time. Alright. So there she is, all done up. Focus. Alright. So there you can see just right over the hole. Go backside. Alright. So don't dry fire it. Cotton will burn. Dry firing it will actually cause a fire with cotton. I don't know this from experience though, so maybe you guys should try it out. Get back to me. I'm just kidding. Oof, going all the cotton everywhere. Now I just take this and place juice all over it. Best part about the magma is that you could just dump juice down in there. Yeah, I'm pretty much probably should have shown you guys. I just had a steady stream going. Oof. It's not a good sign. I don't know if you guys can see that. There is a 15 blink warning from my K-box. Still, let's see. Put it over on the ohm reader battery charger. There we go. Alright. I like this coil for flavor, and the Magma is really good at flavor. There you go. There's my rendition of the single coil Magma. Cheers, guys.